Now let us start multiplying. Let us multiply 34 by 4. 34 two-digit number and 4 one-digit number. There are three columns: ones, tens, and hundred. Topic: multiplication with carry over. In this process, how is the carry over? How is the carry over? कि carry जो है किस पर जाएगा, इसके बारे में आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना स्टार्ट करना है। सबसे पहले लेट अस मल्टीप्लाई 34 by 4. multiply the ones. Now first term multiply the ones. Multiply the ones, it means कि 4 multiply 4 ones multiplied by 4 equal to 16 ones. Now 4 ones multiplied by 4 equal to 16 ones. अब now 16 ones equal to 1 tens plus a 6 ones. Now 16 ones, it will be written as 1 tens plus a 6 ones. Write 6 ones under ones column. Write 6 ones under ones column. Write 6 ones under ones column. And remaining 1 tenth 6. Now write 6 ones under ones column. Now remaining 1 tenth. 1 tenth carry 1 tenth to tens column. Therefore multiply the ones. It will be so 4 ones multiplied by 4 equal to 16 ones. Now 16 ones is written 1 tens plus the 6 ones. Write 6 ones under ones column. And remaining carry 1 tens to tens column. Tens column 1. Carry, it will be tens column. Multiply. Now second step. First step clear. Second step, multiply the tens. Multiply the tens. 3 tens multiplied by 4 equal to 12 tens. Now second step, tens column. 3 multiplied by 3 tens multiplied by 4 equal to 12 tens. 12 tens, add the carry 1 ten, add carry 12 tens plus carry 1 ten है 1 ten equal to 13 tens. Add the carry 12 tens and 1 ten equal to 13 tens. Now 13 tens equal to 100 plus the 3 tens. Now multiply the tens. 3 tens multiplied by 4, 12 tens carry 1 ten. Add the carry 12 tens plus प्लस का 1 टेन इक्वल टू 13 टेन। नाउ 13 टेन इक्वल टू 100 प्लस का 3 टेन। फिर write 3 tens, write 3 tens under tens column and 100 over, write 100 under 100 column. सेकेंड स्टेप है आपका मल्टीप्लाई द टेंस, तो 3 टेंस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, 12 टेंस प्लस कैरी 1 टेंस इक्वल टू 13 टेंस। नाउ 13 टेंस 100 प्लस का 3 टेंस, राइट 3 टेंस अंडर टेंस कॉलम and 100 carry over to 100 column. So it means 100 column is no number, it means 0. 4 multiplied by 0, 4 multiplied by 0, तो product equal to 0 और 0 plus carry 1, तो 0 plus 1 क्या होगा, 0 plus 1 it will be added 1, तो therefore आंसर होगा आपका 136। So 34 multiplied by 4 equal to 136. So multiplication with carrying over में first topic है multiplication of a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. It will be explained 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now let's another topic, multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. देखिए multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now let us explain. Let us multiply. Now let us multiply 227 by 4. 227 3-digit number and 4 1-digit number. In this topic, we multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. In this topic, we will multiply 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now let us discuss. First है 1, 10, 100. There are 3 columns. There are 3 columns, 1's column, 10's column, 100 column. Now 1's under 7, 10's under 2, 100 under 2. Multiply by 4. First step, multiply the ones. First step, multiply the ones. 7 ones multiplied by 4 equal to 28 ones. 7 ones multiplied by 4 equal to 28 ones. Now 28 ones equal to 2 tens plus का 8 ones. Now Now 28 ones is written as 2 tens plus का 8 ones. Write 8 ones under ones column. Write 8 under ones column. And carry two tens and carry two tens column. Now 28 ones written as 2 tens plus the 8 one. Write 8 under ones column and remaining carry 2. 2 tens it will be over 2 carry 2. Now that is the ones column multiplication. The next another column tens column. Multiply the tens. Multiply the tens. 2 tens multiplied by 4 equal to 8 tens. Equal to 8 tens. Add the carry tens. Now tens column 2 multiplied by 4 8 tens. Add the carry tens. Add the carry 2 tens. Now 8 tens plus का 2 tens equal to 10 tens हो गया. Equal to now carry 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 8 tens and already carry 2 tens. Therefore 8 tens और 2 tens equal to 10 tens हो गया. Now 10 tens equal to होगा 100 plus 0 tens. 100 plus 0 tens. So write 0 tens under tens column. Repeat the tens column. Multiply the tens. Multiply the tens. 2 tens multiplied by 4 equal to 8 tens. 8 tens given. Already 2 tens carry. Add the carry. 8 tens or 2 tens equal to 10 tens. Now 10 tens written as 100 plus 0 tens. Write 0 tens under tens column. And carry 100 to 100. Now carry 100 to 100. Carry over 100 1. Carry over 100 100 1. Now multiply the ones, tens, last column 100. Now multiply the hundreds. Multiply the hundreds. 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds multiplied by 4. Now 100 column 200 multiplied by 4 equal to 800. Equal to 800. And carry 100. And carry 100 equal and carry 100. 800 already you have 800 carry over 100. तो add carry 800 प्लस का 100 इक्वल टू 900, इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा आपका ये 900। राइट 900 under 100 column, write 900 under 100 column. To show 100 column, it is shown at 100 column, तो write under 100 column. 100 column में आपका 800 और 100, 800 मल्टीप्लिकेशन 800 प्रोडक्ट है एंड कैरी 100 इक्वल टू 900। तो सो 227, सो 227 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 इक्वल टू 908। इट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद कैरी। ये जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ये कैरी वाला है, इसमें जो है 2 डिजिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 2 डिजिट का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 डिजिट से कैसे करते हैं। दूसरा टॉपिक है 3 डिजिट का नंबर को 3 डिजिट के नंबर को 1 डिजिट के नंबर से कैरी वाला मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं, इसके बारे में पूरा डिटेल हमने आपको समझा दिया है। अब इसके बाद जो है एक्सरसाइज 5D जो है अगले टॉपिक में आपको बताएंगे। ये पूरा वीडियो ये इन दिस वीडियो वी विल एक्सप्लेन मल्टीप्लिकेशन with carry over and without carry over. In this video we must see this video carefully and explain the multiplication of carry and without carry.